What up, YouTube world? Doing this video right now to tell you about the new camera that I just got. It actually has no brand. It is a DVC waterproof video camera. I bought this camera because I'm going on a vacation in a couple months and I needed something I can take with me. It's waterproof, so when I go get on the water rides, hey man, I can record it, put it out in YouTube world. I'm doing this review because when I was about to buy this camera, which first of all, I bought it off eBay from a sign-on person named BIC, which is short for Buying Cones. And I put their sign-on name for eBay right on the screen right now, so that way you can see it. I advise you not to buy it from them. The seller is based out of China, which is where the only place you can buy this camera, because they don't sell it here in the States. I ordered it on August 16th, and I got it yesterday, September 13th, which was just 3 days shy of a month. It took almost a month to get here. And luckily my trip, like I said, I ordered it 3 months early just so I make sure it was here. But luckily, I don't advise you buy the camera if you're about to go on vacation next week. You need to plan ahead and get it because it's going to take a while. If it's coming from China, it's going to take a while. Like I said, the reason why I'm doing this review is because when I was going to buy it, it costed me $138 on eBay. And I wanted to get some reviews from some people that already had the camera so that I can see, you know, what they thought about it. But everybody on eBay that had the camera, all they were doing unboxings, and I didn't want to know what was in the box. That doesn't matter to me. I want to know how the camera performs. So I'm telling YouTube right now, so that way if you go out and buy the camera, you'll know. I'm going to give you my personal take on it, and I'm also going to give you some different tests with it, so that way you can see, you know, what you think about it. My take on it so far, I've had it for a day now. I recommend it for water use only. They tell you when you get it, yo, if you want to go out and record a wedding, or you don't want to record a wedding with this camera. This camera is not that kind of camera. It's strictly for water recording, because I did a little list of pros and cons. Pros of it, it's waterproof. It has a solid body on it. It is a true waterproof. I went and dunked it, splashed it, let my baby play with it in the pool. Camera came out, camera's still working. As y'all can see right now, I'm doing a video audio test with it right now, so you can kind of see what the camera can do, and that way you can see the difference from this camera to this camera. It's a big difference when you go from this camera to this camera. Yeah, so like I said, the pros: solid construction, waterproof. The price to me was very affordable for $138. I shopped around for different waterproof cameras, and the price for this one to me was pretty good. I also like it because it has a built-in light, which is good. Even though when I tested the light underwater, you don't really notice a difference with the light on to with the light off. I didn't notice a difference, but I mean, it's good to have. Also, I like the fact that it's pretty much a traditional Handycam style body to it. Very user friendly to use. And like I said, as you can see, the build on it is pretty decent. But that's one of the main reasons why I ordered it. They had different body styles online, but I like this body style. I'm using the Sony Camcorder right now, which is the one that I'm recording on, so that way you can get a better audio and video of what I'm saying, because this wouldn't do the job. Let's get to the cons. One big thing that the seller told me when I got it, I didn't know it. This thing takes pictures, but it doesn't zoom in and out on video. The zoom it has right here, and I was trying to figure out why in the world it wouldn't zoom. It only zooms in and out on pictures when you're shooting pictures, not video, which is stupid to me. The seller told me to make sure that I read the manual, which I actually did. I usually take stuff out the box and just get to it, but I read the manual because I wanted to figure out if the camera was broken or what was wrong with the zoom. This manual sucks. This is a big con to me. All it does in this manual is tell you what the buttons are. It doesn't even tell you how to use them. So the manual's horrible. Like I said, a big con, no zoom on videos. It gives you one view of where you can be, and that's it. That's it. The audio is horrible on it. It says it is 1080p. I showed you a video test. To me, that's not 1080p. The last big con to me was this battery latch door, which you like click this down and this thing pops open. And it is waterproof. Your battery's in there. Your memory card is also in there. And you definitely don't want to get water in that because you already know what happens when you get a battery wet. But this latch on here, it doesn't seem very secure to me. So you kind of want to watch that too. Hasn't came apart on me yet, but just want to watch it. You don't want to get any water in your compartment. They tell you.
Oh, we're testing out the camera. Testing it out. Testing out the camera. We're testing out the camera. Testing it out. Testing out the camera. Dunking in the water. Dunking the camera in the water. The camera's in the water. Camera back out. Camera was in the water. Bringing it back in there. Testing out the camera. Testing it out. Splash test. Splash testing the camera. Now we're going to go underwater with the camera. Camera's still working good. Testing out the camera. There you have it, everybody. Testing it out.
If you like what I said, comment, like my post. Enjoy.